Driven by policy incentives, environmental mandates, and evolving consumer needs, the global shift towards electric vehicles is unstoppable. While city buses lead the charge, coach electrification lags behind. Challenges flood in, and your solutions are needed. Short driving range, slow charging speeds, and pollution issues. What's the solution? Vehicle breakdowns during peak hours leading to lost revenue. How to fix this? Inadequate capacity and uncomfortable rides. How to keep passengers and profits on board. How to achieve profitability while maintaining cost efficiency. The solution? A truly high-end battery electric tourist coach. Where is it? In Yutong, our T-Series. More comfortable, more energy efficient, more reliable, safer and smarter. Whether for long-distance transport, intercity transfers or premium tours, the T-Series offers 12 to 15 metre models with customisable luggage compartments, high power output and extended range to meet diverse operational needs. Longer driving range, more guarantee. Range anxiety? Not with the Yutong T-Series. The T12E model features a 466 kilowatt battery as standard, delivering up to 465 kilometers of range. For example, a single Lisbon to Porto trip is 350 kilometers. Operating 2 daily round trips requires just 45 minutes of charging per stop after departure, maximizing savings and earnings. In 2025, Yutong introduced 600 kilowatt liquid cooling dual gun charging technology, doubling efficiency. 90% charge in 1 hour adds 405 kilometers of range. To drive 1400 kilometers in a day, just charge it 4 times. Coupled with Yutong's reliable quality, the service life of T-Series vehicles is 2 million kilometers or 20 years, with an ultra-long warranty period of up to 1.5 million kilometers or 15 years for the battery. Backed by Yutong's professional direct service team, genuine parts platform, and a global service network, there's no need to worry about the uptime. Greater capacity, higher profits. Electricity beats fuel for savings. How? Let's compare with conventional vehicles. For a 350 kilometer single trip, 4 trips a day, 350 operational days per year, the mileage would be 490,000 kilometers annually. Yutong's T12E battery electric model saves €255.90 per day, totaling €89,500 a year. The T14E saves €89,900 annually. The T15E saves €86,400 annually. More luxurious, more comfortable. Long-distance operations often involve over 1,000 kilometers daily drives, with passengers enduring 10+ hours on board. A truly exhausting reality. No worries. The Yutong T-Series is specifically developed for premium long-distance travel. With customizable configurations and luxurious seating options, it features massage and heating functions based on the European Passenger Verification Ergonomic Curve. The AC even includes an air freshener for a first-class cabin experience on wheels. In the premium tourism market, peak revenue days are limited each year. With extended range, shorter charging times and fast charging, T-Series maximizes daily round trips. Every extra trip during peak season means direct revenue boost. For passengers, the purpose of any travel is to relax. The T-Series meet passengers' diverse needs, transforming trips into enjoyable experience. Exceptional experience increases repeat ridership, naturally attracting more passengers. For fleets, this is nothing short of the most exciting news. Yutong T-Series. The truly premium battery electric tourist coaches. Deliver better solutions for coach electrification and greater value for customers. Leader of premium battery electric tourist coach.